Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I think last time I uploaded was December, so what is it now? It's end of August, so we're coming up to about 8-9 months since I last uploaded a proper video. I'll explain why. So most of that's just been I have been swamped at work. So some of you might know I'm on my placement year. I'm working at Amplify Trading, and I've been doing some Python stuff with them, being a software engineer, all that stuff. But that's not the point of this video today. The point of this video, just a really quick one, is I have opened up my Discord. So I have a Discord with about 30 people in it, and we're all graduates. I mean, I'm not a graduate. Most of them are graduates from computer science backgrounds. Some of them are from different backgrounds themselves. And what I'd like to do is to kind of expand the community that we have here on YouTube. So we hit 450 subscribers, I believe, roughly, on YouTube recently. And as a result of that, what I want to do is I want to bring some of you who are interested in computer science or who are going into university and everything like that in your first years into this Discord, so you can kind of grow with me and you can grow yourself as well as a developer or whatever it is that you want to do. So yeah, that's the main purpose of this video. It's a very quick one. I will be uploading once I have some more free time. You can see I've upgraded my whole setup. I've got lights now and stuff like that behind me. I've got this way sharper camera, which is way too sharp for me in my own opinion, and obviously upgraded the microphone as well. So I will be making a return to YouTube, I do promise that, and I'll be coming back with some Python content, some stuff related to DevOps, as that's kind of the new big field almost going on in the industry. We'll also have some gaming content. So I had a live stream last week, for example. I'll be doing a live stream where I'm redesigning my website, as it is abysmal. It was made in about 2 days, so I want to do something with that that's a bit better and bigger. And I'll also be documenting throughout the next year, actually, what's going to be going on with my final year project at university and things like that. So I do want to share all of this with you, and I want you all to be in on the journey, and I want to help you grow as well. So links to the Discord are in the description below, so please do check it out. Please do join. Anyone who has questions or anything like that regarding university or even just software development in general, drop them in there. I'll be more than happy to help, and I am looking forward to connecting with more of you on a more personal level than we already have on YouTube. So thanks guys for watching this very short video. It's just a quick update on what's going on. I haven't gone anywhere. I still do reply to most comments anyways on YouTube, and that's all there really is from me. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you already haven't.